Do you ever feel shy when speaking English? Like the words are there in your mind, but your tongue just refuses to move?
Oh, I know that feeling. You open your mouth and suddenly, silence. Or worse, you say something and immediately think, oh no, that sounded wrong.
Exactly. But don't worry, today we're going to fix that. In this episode, we'll show you how to speak English confidently using one of the most powerful methods, shadowing.
If you listen till the end, you'll learn how to train your brain and your mouth to speak fluent English, just like native speakers. Let's begin.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, the show that helps you speak English naturally and confidently.
Yes, whether you're in Pakistan, India, the Middle East, or anywhere around the world, this podcast is for you.
I'm your host, Faisal, and today I'm here with my co-host, Leslie. Together, we'll help you transform your English-speaking habits.
And today's topic is something that almost every learner struggles with: confidence while speaking.
Exactly. We'll explain what confidence really means when speaking English, how to build it, and most importantly, how to practice with the shadowing method step by step.
So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's learn English in a fun, natural way.
Let's start with a simple question. What does speaking confidently mean to you?
Good question. For me, speaking confidently means not being afraid of making mistakes, just speaking freely and enjoying the conversation.
Exactly. Confidence doesn't mean perfect English. It means comfortable English.
I love that, comfortable English, because sometimes people think, when my grammar is perfect, I'll be confident. But that's not true.
Right. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. Confidence is about how you feel when you speak, not how perfect your sentence is.
So true. When you speak with energy and emotion, even simple words sound powerful.
Yes, like saying good morning with a smile instead of good morning with fear.
That tiny change, your voice, your tone, can change everything.
Now, let's talk about why so many people feel shy or nervous speaking English.
Number one reason: fear of mistakes.
Yes, you think people will laugh at you or you'll sound silly, but guess what? Nobody cares.
Exactly. Most people are just happy that you're trying to speak their language.
Number two, translating too much from your native language.
Oh, yes. Like you think in Urdu or Hindi, then translate in your head to English, and by the time you speak, the moment is gone.
It's like buffering. That's why we'll show you a technique today to train your brain to think directly in English.
And the third reason: no real speaking practice. People learn grammar, vocabulary, and watch lessons, but they don't speak.
That's the key. You can't learn to swim by reading a book. You have to get in the water.
Exactly. And shadowing helps you get in the water safely.
All right, let's explain the star of today's episode, the shadowing technique.
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and speaking at the same time, like their shadow.
Yes, imagine you're a mirror. When they speak, you repeat immediately, matching their pronunciation, speed, and tone.
It's like singing along to your favorite song, but with English sentences instead of music.
Exactly. You don't have to understand every word in the beginning. The goal is to train your mouth, tongue, and ears to move together.
So when you shadow, you build three skills at once: listening, speaking, and pronunciation.
Let's do a small demo for our listeners. Ready?
Let's take a simple line. I wake up early every morning.
All right, listeners, repeat after me and try to speak at the same time. Ready? I wake up early every morning.
Again, a little faster now. I wake up early every morning.
Perfect. That's shadowing. You're copying rhythm, pronunciation, and emotion, not just words.
Okay, now let's go step by step. How can someone start shadowing at home?
Step 1, choose short audios or videos. Pick podcasts, movies, or YouTube clips around 1 to 2 minutes long.
Step 2, listen once without speaking. Try to understand the main idea.
Step 3, play again and shadow. Repeat immediately after the speaker, even if you make mistakes.
Step 4, record yourself, then listen and compare. How is your pronunciation, your speed?
Step 5, focus on one thing at a time. Maybe pronunciation today, rhythm tomorrow, and expression the next day.
And step 6, be consistent. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful.
Remember, confidence comes from repetition, not magic.
Now let's teach some useful English sentences that listeners can use for shadowing.
Yes, we'll choose sentences from daily life, easy but natural.
Sentence 1, I wake up at 7 o'clock, meaning the time you get up from sleep.
Sentence 2, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Use this for your morning routine.
Sentence 3, I have breakfast and get ready for work. Notice the phrase, get ready. It means prepare yourself.
Sentence 4, I go to the office by bus. By bus means the method of transport.
Sentence 5, I come home in the evening and relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Sentence 6, I watch TV before bed.
Sentence 7, I go to sleep around 11.
Now, let's say all of them together. Listeners, shadow with us. I wake up early every morning. I take a shower and get ready for work.